Congratulations, Sandip. This achievement should give you a lot of relief and also a lot of motivation to take your journey ahead. What is the feeling right now?
Thank you, sir. Definitely, it is giving me kind of relief. I am feeling happy that I have achieved a rank this year, sir.
Wonderful. So, to the feeling that was there when you wrote the exam, to the feeling that was there when there's a lot of self-doubt, to the feeling now, how do you see that journey?
So while I was writing the exams throughout these attempts, there is a kind of anxiety, that self-doubt kind of thing, that I am not able to qualify the exam, so I am lacking somewhere. So now that I am on the other side, all those hardships, all that hard work, the effort I put in those years, I think that has paid, sir.
Okay, wonderful. So, for all the information of the viewers, you are from Punjab, so from Hoshiarpur to Bangalore.
Yes,
The
sir.
journey, and how did you feel that difference, and how did Bangalore help you?
So Bangalore provided me that kind of environment where I could study, and obviously I love the environment here, the weather, climate, it's very good, and I found friends who were equally serious about studies, so that helped me a lot, sir.
Wonderful. So, as you look forward, there's a lot of youngsters who are looking ahead and who have a lot of self-doubt also, and who have this question, can we do it? What is your message to them?
So my message would be, the self-doubt is a part of the journey. Nobody can be 100% sure that I will be qualifying this exam. So self-doubt, anxiety, those are part of a journey. But I would recommend all the students to keep going. One day your journey will be a successful journey. And be hopeful. Do not lose hope. Keep working hard.
Wonderful. So, be hopeful, do not lose hope, and it is part of the journey, so take it very effectively in that sense. We hope this journey inspires a lot, and we also wish that you take your journey to much bigger milestones ahead. All the very best, and thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.